There are two different ways you can find area of a non-right triangle. If you're doing a right triangle, remember, it's 1/2 base times height. For side angle side, to find the area, we take half the product of the sides multiplied by sine of the angle. So for my example here, I have 1/2 the product of the sides, 10 times 14, sine of the angle I'm given, which is 46 degrees. And therefore you get an area of 50.35. Or you can also be given side, side, side. When you're given 3 sides, it's a little bit different. We need to find S, our semi-perimeter, by doing 1/2 of A plus B plus C, and then substituting it into our formula. So when I have my example triangle ABC, to find S, I'm going to do 1/2 of 8 plus 11 plus 5, which equals 12. So to find my area, I'm going to do the square root of 12 times 12 minus 8 times 12 minus 11 times 12 minus 5. So that is the square root of 12 times 4 times 1 times 7, or the square root of 336, which is approximately 18.3.